I want to say this without missing words that private school teachers are suffering. There are a lot of teachers on the streets right now that are having nothing to feed their families. Please, whoever is watching this and you have any teacher, any private school teacher in your area, please kindly help them. Help them. It is high time we stood up to help ourselves. Very, very important. Private school teachers are suffering. There are many teachers for the past 3 months that have not collected a dime. Please, let us help. I want to use this medium to beg all the proprietors and the proprietresses of private school owners to please, for God's sake, help your teachers. The best time you can help them is now. Thank you, and God bless you. I take you to the highest point of your endeavor in Jesus' name. Thank you very much.